Okay, so I thought I would film this before I crash and bloody my face up. So today's thing to do, and this should be a world's first, I've never seen it attempted before. I'm gonna ride the unicycle, electric unicycle, while flying FPV. So I'll be looking through the goggles that will be transmitting what this little drone is going to be seeing, and hopefully I'm going to be able to ride the wheel without killing myself. That's going to be the trick. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself set up and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so just as a test, I rode the wheel just now. I'm riding right now. I close my eyes and it is really hard and scary. So your balance gets thrown off pretty quickly, and you just afraid you're gonna hit everything. So hopefully the drone's gonna give me a good enough view. I'll be able to see what's ahead of me, so I'm not gonna panic about that. That is, if I can fly the drone and keep it where it belongs to show me the view. And yeah, I mean, there's just all kinds of variables here that are crazy, but anyways, we'll see what happens. Okay, so I screwed up. I got all the way here to do this thing, and unfortunately, I forgot to put a memory chip in my goggles, so I can't record. So what I'm gonna do now is take the memory chip out of my rearview mirror and use that. All right, I'll be back. Can't believe I did that. Screwing around with the memory chip and everything, my battery, or I'm sorry, the wind is kicked up. So I don't know, it's a bit too windy for this little drone, but we'll see if I can do it anyways. I'm gonna try. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna jump on the wheel. I'm gonna set the drone on the hood of my truck, aimed out at the parking lot here. I'm gonna put the goggles on, and I'm gonna see if I can ride without the drone moving. Then the next step will be grabbing a hold of the controller and trying to fly it. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so as you saw, that didn't go well. Looking through the goggles and riding the wheel is super hard. And then when I turned around, everything was kind of backwards, and when I stopped, it felt like I was rolling backwards, but I wasn't. And so I had to put my feet down real quick, and my wheel fell over on its side. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to grab the controller and do this. This is gonna be pretty hard. I might give it a shot though, we'll see. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna happen. I just put the drone up in the air, and even on rate level 3, which is the highest rate, I can't fight the wind. It keeps going backwards on me. So I may have to do this on a calmer day. This is a bummer. I wanted to actually attempt this. So, well, this is my challenge. Somebody do this. I mean, it's a lot harder than it seems like it should be. I mean, even just riding with my eyes closed is kind of a challenge, although I can do that. But you throw those goggles on, everything is screwed up. And then, like I say, once I get this drone up in the air, it's going to be moving around, which is going to throw off my balance also, because I'm going to be looking through the goggles, and all you can see is what that drone is seeing. Yeah, I don't know. It'll be crazy.